Barry Tiger. Subscribe!
Police car wheel is broken.
I protect Barrytown. My name is Sheriff Lake.
Oh my goodness! Someone's robbing the bank!
Give me that right now!
Oh no! Something bad happened!
Haha! Bye! Thanks for the money!
You stop!
Oh? It's Sheriff Lake! You want to catch me? No way! I think I'm gonna give you a hard time. Hey there, Sheriff Lake! Watch where you're going!
Oh no!
Sorry, I've got to go. I hope not to see you again.
Hey, stop! Oh no, I have to go to Barry's repair station.
Hello, friends. Welcome to Barry's repair station. My name is Super Mechanic Barry. Oh, someone's coming. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake.
Super Mechanic Barry, please, I need your help right now.
Sure, no problem. Come on, friends. Let's fix the police car together.
Huh?
Oh, there's a nail stuck inside the car wheel. That's why the tire deflated. Let's use pliers to pull out the nail first. Oh, the tire is still deflating. Let's use some rubber to cover the hole.
My tire is still flat. There's no air.
Don't worry. I'm going to inflate your tire now.
Wow, this looks so cool.
And now, let's go to the car wash.
Wow, this car wash looks so professional.
Let's go ahead and see what's inside the toolbox. I think we should spray some washing liquid first. Oh, it looks like there are 2 spray bottles here. Which one should I use?
This one tastes sweet.
Oh my goodness! This is chocolate syrup.
Super Mechanic Barry, are you trying to make a police car cake? It tickles!
Now then, let's rinse the bubbles off with water.
Oh, that feels so cool!
Lastly, let's wipe the water off with a rag.
Wow, I feel so great!
Mission accomplished. Hey friends, thanks a lot for your help.
And now, I can continue doing my duty.
Help me!
What's that?
Hand over your wallet now.
A citizen needs my help. Goodbye, Barry.
Okay, Sheriff Lake, goodbye!
All this is mine now. Oh, it's Sheriff Lake. Gosh, I'd better run. I'm getting tired. I finally shook him off.
So who did you shake off?
Oh no!
Freeze! You're under arrest.
I promise not to do it again.